Here's how to make a Game Pass and please donate on mobile. Now, if you're on an iPhone or an Android and you want to create your own Game Pass so that people can donate to you, I'll show you how to do it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, open up the Roblox app on your iPhone or Android, works the exact same. From here, we need to first tap on the More button at the very bottom right. And you'll be able to see a bunch of different options. We're going to scroll down until you get to Create here and tap on that. Now, of course, we're going to go through the process of first creating that Game Pass, and then we'll just assign it to a stand. So the first thing we're going to do is tap on those three lines at the top left on Home, and we're going to tap on Creations here. Now, you'll be able to see my place, Carolina 1010's place. Everybody will have a place and it needs to be set as public. So if it's not set as public, you can tap on it once and then tap on the three dots at the top right. And where it says make private, you can just switch this to public if it's not already. Now, let's tap on Carolina 1010's place or whatever place you have. And now you'll be able to see at the top left, it says Creations. From here, we're going to create that Game Pass by tapping the three lines at the top left. And now from here, we're going to just scroll down and under monetization, we're going to tap on passes here and tap on that. Now, you might see other passes that you've created in the past, but I'm going to walk you through creating a new one. So let's hit create a pass. Keep in mind, you can upload your own image here, or you can just use the default image that's assigned to that pass. And you do need a name here. So I'm just going to hit a name as subscribe. Now on here, I'm going to scroll down and tap create that pass. Now I have that subscribe pass, but if I swipe over, you can see it is off sale. So it's not currently for sale. I need to make it live and for sale. So I'll tap on subscribe here or that pass. And now that it's opened up, you'll be able to see that at the top left, let's tap on those three lines. And from here, tap on sales. And now all you need to do is toggle on item for sale and choose how much you want for this specific pass. So I'm going to hit 100 Robux. You can see I can turn on enable regional pricing. Keep in mind, you don't get 100 Robux. Keep in mind, Roblox will take 30 of that. So you'll just get 70 Robux. Now let's hit save changes here and proceed. Now, after we've done that, we've created that pass. And if I go back out of here, you'll be able to see if I go back again, there that subscribe pass is live and it's enabled. Let's add it to a please donate. So let's tap on the X at the top left and then tap on home. Now, all you need to do is hit the search button and then search for please donate. And we're going to go into this game, please donate. So tap on it and tap play. Now, all you need to do once it loads up, let's exit out of here, is just basically go to an empty stand. So let's find an empty stand. Let's tap on that one and just hit claim right here. You can see I have to press and hold on it. And just like that, I have claimed it. You can see at the very bottom, now that you've created a Game Pass, you can go through and basically have people donate to you. So you can go through the tutorial or just hit exit and you're good to go. Hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.